Hello guys, this is Derek from Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Today I'd like to welcome you to this tastefully remodeled home in Richmond, California. Behind the yellow door offers a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house with a private backyard. Let me show you around. Hey guys, thanks for taking the tour. So what do you think about the house? Isn't this beautiful? I love the cozy backyard here. For more information, please check out our website. We're located at 3126 Alta Mira Rd in Richmond, California. We'll see you there soon.